Abi una know Omale for Nigeria? Yes, in go Uganda, say they go perform for concert. Now they come arrest am. And now, this Uganda musician, his name na Cindy Sani. She don't call Omale idiot. Say how him go come perform when the musicians where they there, they go through hunger, they don't even they allow them perform since virus starts, and now they bring foreigner from outside, make it come perform. Hey, my people, no be small matter. I beg, I want make una hear this woman. I be this lady with una own, you understand? Like watch the video.
He posted it online and was very proud about the fact that he had a successful concert in Uganda.
My people, una hear am? How come una government problem go come dey affect Omale now? How? And the thing one I don't know, see, this concert will happen, they first advertise am. So if truly they no allow am, or they no supposed perform, they no for allow am make it enter. And make I even remind you na immigration for Uganda stamp Omale. Na them themselves allow am inside. And now they talk say they arrest her because he no keep COVID-19 restriction. Wahala dey o. This abeg put this, bring this woman head outside. No, una see am for the video. I don't know whether na car she dey drive, abi na fridge. Imagine, person dey call, see who dey call person idiot. Person wey in car no even get headrest. He dey call person idiot. Wahala. Jiru come outside, come dey talk plenty. See, my people, e good make person dey very humble. Because imagine person like this now, attention she dey look for. So e dey very easy. Call people, oh please help me to blow. They go help you blow. Now you don't come outside, you dey find way. This one now, not be from my mouth, but be like say she don't dey do like Shatawale, because Shatawale any small thing now, he just want attention. Now this kind of person she be. My sister, fix your country and your entertainment industry and stop blaming people that come from outside. Because no be our fault, say una dey suffer, say una no dey perform since COVID. Now why una suppose get sense not to get only one thing wey una dey do? You never even start the suffer. Relax. He never come. When he come, you go know. My people, now, yes, and at least good news dey for this one, because according to news, they say now they don't release Omale. So now my boy is free. And my nigga number one. They say now they don't free him, but I don't know when he go back to Nigeria, sha. But I pray say so, because maybe they not go give her another matter for there. Yes, now the matter where they grandma, my people, this woman, wait till na think now. May we help her and blow, may we push her story, may she blow, may we just leave her like that, because you can see, if not before this matter, I don't go even remember say Uganda even exists. No, no be say I dey insult person. So you not supposed to know how the level even dey. You understand? Yeah, so I want to know what you they think for this matter. Drop out for the comment section. And don't forget, if you never subscribe, subscribe. Share this video, make it go viral. Make everybody know what's in the happen for Poco Show. I go see you now later. One love, hey, one heart. Come on, let's get together and feel alright. Rasta fried rice, need it 10 naira. Hey, my people, no be small matter. No look me like that. Oh, hey, as I dey hear like this, hey, my people, all Nigeria today we turn Jamaican, whether you like them or not. As long as you dey watch this video, hey, my people, Regina Daniels. Oh, this girl, she's a bit dey sparkle my blood. Now she don't come outside, she dey blaze shisha. Even Bob Marley self, shame go catch am if he see Regina the way she. Una never for now we no know wetin I dey talk about. I beg, watch the video. Ned Woko, where you dey? Come out here, oh. Come see your number 6. Number 6 Jamaican Rasta fried. My people, this Regina then they don't turn Rastafarian. Una see how she dey wobe in and out or more. This girl, she don't no. Una suppose not say nah. The video we una see nah that one nah the original Regina Daniels. All those other things, na Photoshop, she did. You know when you dey man house, you need humble yourself, you need na lie, na she be that. Ha! Now she dey smoke her depression away. Una think say dey easy to dey married with one old cargo like that. You know dey easy oh. Forget all the flashy things. Inside, this girl dey suffer. I dey imagine how many times she feel they wish say how she wish say she fit get her life back. Because now like this, her life don't finish. Your mama don't say in destiny. You don't turn our superstar now to smoking ninja. You don't turn her. In fact, we don't even know where the real Regina even come dey. Only you, Oga Pata, six wives. You only. I imagine. I mean, which kind of strength this man even get for this age? Which kind of strength? How even they manage to satisfy all of them? Now, wow, my people. Now be say, hey, I dey imagine how they go to do the go night by night. Now be say they go to get timetable. This week now your week. This week now this 1 week. And Regina, you don't say as the youngest, she go need better servicing. And this man, as I dey see him, now be saying now maybe once in 2 weeks. If you give her once a week, that once a week serve now when. You understand? Maybe the energy they don't chop better food or something. This girl they starve. And as she dey, she need vibrant, you understand? Vibrant gundus. We go serve it at least 3 times, 4 times a week. Now wait till this girl, she no go talk am, but she dey miss am. And now the thing wey will make the case worse, they even give her, they do rituals where she no even fit go meet any other man. She no fit cheat. Now wow, Ned. Hey, Baba. Ha! See, my people, I no go blame Regina. Don't be say I no dey blame her, but the higher part of this blame na for her mother. When mama no fit get sense, I dey wonder how pikin won't get sense. You sell your pikin because of money. Now she don't dey there. See, for now, she no dey complain. Oh, you dey feel say she dey enjoy. Tomorrow, e go do you like African magic. I be you yourself, you be actress. You know how the script una dey play dey be. No worry. Now she go still dey insult you, and now for internet this thing go happen. Now for here, I go still bring your matter. See your pikin. No, see am. I dey sure say you even watch the video sef. You don't watch am. You see pikin wey you raise. This girl now for this her age, she suppose they travel, they sign contracts, they do things. Don't born, you don't sit down pelembe for man house. Not be even man house, old man house. At least even if you dey marry for one younger age, at least marry to person wey you go dey okay with. And I dey say, I dey sure say Regina Daniel room she get one drawer wey full with toys. Yes, anywhere where the man stop, she could go continue by herself. My people, now the matter be this and this one now me and you na get them. So make we discuss for the comment section. What do you think? Or what be your advice? What be your suggestion? Make we talk down there. You understand? Drop your comments and I will reply on that. Don't forget, subscribe, share this video, click the like button because I know you enjoyed it.